Hey all, in this video we are going to have a look on this amazing parallax effect. Whenever you scroll your mouse down and your page, or you can say your page down, this amazing running and moving effect of rabbit, just it is awesome. And this is also called parallax effect, and it is also called tweening effect. In the old days, tweening is the short form of between. In the old days, when like you have to create some moving effect of cartoons, like you can say how Disney used to do, you have multiple frames of some scene, and you just move it in some way like it feels it's just running, or you can say it's feel like film effect and it is running effect. So we are in this video create this amazing parallax effect using reactjs and not any other library, using only reactjs. And you can also use vanilla javascript if you want to use. So okay, let's jump into the video and see how it works. So okay, first of all you have to import react, and this is the by the way file that I'm using. You don't have to pay attention to any of the other files or folders. This is the only folder like assets and images. Here we have images, 7 images of rabbits, different in different position. So these are the 7 images, and here in this folder scroll pages we have a rabbit.jsx file. So let me first import react, and then we have to import like let's first initialize our function, and then we have to import images. And okay, rabbit1 from which folder, assets, and then we have to go to images folder, and then rabbit1, and this is the name of the file. By the way, you have to copy it out because we don't do any kind of mistakes. So then we have to just press enter, and Copilot will do all of the job for us, and we have to do just hit enter and hit the tab. Okay, so now we have imported all of the 7 images here. Now let's create a state here, state of name scroll y, and you can import this use state from react. Okay, this is the variable of scroll y where we will set our scroll. Now quickly create handle scroll function where we are just setting out our state, and this handle scroll is good in this form, but it's better to create a use effect. Okay, now we have created use effect, and we will put all of this logic into this use effect so that we can handle the rendering of components in a better way. So now we will create a scroll event listener, and then we will just do the logic of removing this event listener on whenever the component will be unmounted. And by the way, if you don't know how this use effect works, just comment down. I will create another video for this, solely for this use effect. Okay, now let's quickly create a array of our rabbit images. Okay, this is the array of rabbit images. You just have to press enter if you have Copilot. This makes life too easy. Okay, now let's quickly create a function. Before function, let's just let me just show to you how our HTML will work. Okay, this is the main container of our all of the work. This is the main container, and we will have some style for it. Okay, so first let paint it out with the background of sky 2, and rather than sky 2 we can create our own custom color which I have already have here, and we can just paste it out, and here you can see our this empty canvas. Why don't have any color? Okay, cause we didn't give it height yet. So okay, let's quickly just give it a height of 2000 pixel. Now if you see, it again don't have. Why? Okay, so first of all, we will see it later why it's causing some issue. First of all, let's have our self-closing tag of image, and now here is the most important thing. Now we have to create the function which will do all of this scroll calculations and will change the frames and will change the images and create this effect. So this is our most important function. Okay, we'll name it out as rabbit scroll calculate. Okay, this short form, not too long name. Okay, so this is the function. Now we will get our index, and we'll have math.floor scroll y divided by this, and then we'll do modulus with the rabbit images dot length. And why we are doing modulus? Because we want to have index of the image, not whole image. Then we will return from here in the line 26. Because now what is happening is, like, whenever you will scroll have some value which will tell you how many pixels you have scrolled, and how many pixels you have scrolled. Like, let's suppose you have scrolled 100 pixels. Let's suppose you have scrolled 100 pixels, and 100 divided by 100, we got value answer of 1. And when we do 1 modulus with 7, it will give us 1, and this 1 will be used as an index of this rabbit images array, and we will return that specific image from this function. And okay, that's it. Why we are having modulus? We are having modulus to create a range from 0 to 7. So we are like preventing we don't go outside of 7 range, because whenever you do modulus with some number, like we are having modulus with 7, because rabbit images dot length is 7, we are having modulus with 7, so it will not go outbound of 0 to 7. Okay, so now it will return the specific image of specific index. Now we will call this method here. Okay, so we'll complete this image tag here, and let's have a class of width 200 is enough. Let me edit out 300 is enough. Like 300 will be good. Fixed, we want it to be fixed. Now also have relative to this, so this fix will work relative to its parent. Now top 50%, left 50, transform, we don't want transform, and that is okay. Let's have a transform is good, because it will center our object in the like exact center. If we don't have transform, then it will be a little tilde. Okay, so now let's save it out and check our output. We are not getting any kind of output. Why? Let's check if we are getting any kind of error here. Let's open the console and see what's the issue. Use effect is not defined. Okay, copilot not imported, but just completed the syntax. Okay, here we have our beautiful effect and our beautiful output.
Oh my god! Wow!
Now let me just close out these tools, and here you can see our rabbit is exactly in the center of the screen. So if I slowly now scroll, you will see the effect. Okay, I am scrolling and this rabbit is just moving. Now you have noticed this rabbit is too slow. Now to increase the speed of this rabbit, what you have to do is just decrease this number. So whenever you will decrease this number, what will happen is, now whenever you will decrease this number, now let's just get rid of the calculation. Let me tell you straightforward. Whenever you will decrease this number, you will frequently get these index. Like first, whenever you will scroll half of the screen, you will getting hardly 0 to 5 index. Now if you will scroll minimum portion of the screen, you will get many times in these index changing. Like changing of the index from 0 to 7 will be very frequent. So now let's check this out, how this scroll is happening. So now if I slowly scroll, this rabbit is moving faster and faster and faster. So this rabbit even moves backward. So This is it. This is just a little coding here and you got a amazing effect. So this is called parallax effect as well, tweening as well, and this is amazing thing we have built now. So if you didn't get any kind of line of code or any other kind of terminologies, just comment down. I will create a separate video on that. If you like the video, hit the like button and comment down and share. That's it for this video. See you in next. Bye bye.